Hello and welcome back, children. Today we are going to understand Chapter 3, Weather and Climate. Children, as this chapter is a bit lengthy, we'll understand it in two parts. Okay? So today we'll be doing part 1. So, children, in this part, you will understand the difference between weather and climate and brief description about the factors that affect the climate of a place. Children, I said brief description because you'll be learning about each of the factor that influences climate in detail in your second part. Okay? So tell me, have you ever noticed that sometimes in the place where you live is rainy, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's foggy, and sometimes it's windy? So what exactly changes all these days? That the conditions are different, and you may notice that within a day or an hour the conditions completely change. Well, children, what changes is the weather of a place. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It keeps on changing. So, remember, the change in the atmosphere that takes place many times in a day is called weather. For example, in the morning the weather may be cool, at noon it may be very hot, and in the evening it may become pleasant. So this is weather. Okay. The next one, that is climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a particular place over a long period of time. Children, climate means a temperature that is there for a long period of time, that is about 20 to 30 years. So that is called climate. It's not called weather. Okay? Different parts of the world experience different climate. All over the world, you'll find there are different kinds of climate. For example, the Himalayan range, it's always cold all throughout the year. Then another example, that is hot and humid Chennai. That's always hot. This place is always hot and humid all throughout the year. The climate of a place affects the people living in many ways. So climate affects people living also. Let's see. The first thing, the clothes they wear. According to the climate, we have to decide our clothes. Second, the food habits. We even decide our foods according to the climate. The third, the type of house they live in are all affected by climate. So the houses in which people live, those are also affected by the climate. Seasons. Children, even seasons. Changes in climate give rise to changes in seasons. And the 5 main seasons are summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. So see, climate also brings change in seasons. Now, the factors influencing climate. Now there are some factors that affect the climate, due to which the climate keeps changing. The climate of a place is affected by several factors such as distance from the equator, It depends how close or far we are to the equator. The height above sea level, that is altitude. The distance from the sea. Directions of the wind. And humidity and rainfall. So all these factors, they influence climate. So children, learn the definition of weather and climate and revise this video. Okay? Thank you.